Brazil. Kenya, I don't know what Kenya.
But Kenya, the CPM of Kenya is down.
Or the CPM. No, I think it depends on the kind of content you are posting.
No.
Huh.
For US is high.
Oh, for US? Okay, one thing I know with the US, they pay higher.
Yes, so when you get views from the United States, you are paying higher.
Oh,
Kenya is
no, but I thought when you go to America, that's
no.
Oh, this
doesn't look at it like that.
Oh, yeah. So it doesn't look like which country you are at that moment.
No.
Wow.
Getting your views.
Okay, that one I did not know.
Yeah.
So first we'll
the revenue for Kenya, the revenue for Kenya when you get views from Kenya, it's lower.
Oh, it's much. CPM, no. CPM means cost per There's cost per click. That is CPC, and then there's also CPM.
Yes, but you see now, the one for US is higher. That is what they look at.
Yeah, US is higher, and then another thing, these monetary algorithms, they are also factored according to what projects you are doing. You see, like someone who is doing medicine, that one is paid the highest.
Wow.
People who are doing medicine, or people who are doing medicine, they get even up between $5 to $10 per 1,000 views.
Wow.
So someone who is doing real estate gets also close to the same, and even lawyers. Yeah, but people who are people who are on entertainment. Oh wow, 10, 20, wow, keep coming, guys. But people 23 minutes, yeah, imagine. But people who are doing entertainment, they get the lowest. They get, I think, $1 per 1,000 views. Yeah, that's what happens. And then even teachers, they also have a good CPM. So if you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're doing medicine, that is when you get very, very high CPMs.
Wow.
Yeah. So there's also value. They pay you according to the value.
How about vlogging?
Vlogging. Vlogging, not much. Okay, vlogging is. I think it's more of. It's more of entertainment, sports, something like that.
Yeah.
Vlogging, not much. You see, you're saying, or someone is asking vlogging.
No, I'm saying vlogging is like sort of touring.
No, vlogging. Yes, vlogging. Okay, vlogging is more of just like the way you can do live. Yeah, so it's more of entertainment.
But the only advantage in vlogging is the watch time. With vlogging you cannot do only 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, that one I did not know.
1 hour.
Or you have to do like 1 hour.
The list is 30 minutes.
Or the list is 30 minutes.
Like for example, where we are now, if we start doing vlogging, of course we cannot do 10 minutes.
Vlogging is which one? When people are seated on two separate seats.
The ones that you do. Hello guys, this is Karen.
Oh really?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that's vlogging. Yeah, that's vlogging. Yeah, that one is okay. That one there's no much added value because it's just there's no much added value on issues of payments, you know. Yeah, so now we are applying the first coats on the right side. This is the right side, and then this is the wrong side. Yeah, so vlogging, yeah.
So this one is for the bed. Huh?
Yeah, this is for the bed now.
The headboard.
Yeah, the headboard. So the headboard will have two panelists. Each headboard will have 2 panelists.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That is what will happen. Is Sandy still there? I wanted to ask her. She's watching. Sandy, let us know. Is the sound okay? Text to us